Ford Ranger. Which should you buy, 2021 or 2022? The Ford Ranger is a midsize pickup truck that slots in between the full-size F-150 and the compact Maverick. Unlike the F-150, which was recently redesigned, or the all-new Maverick, the Ranger rolls on with minimal changes or fanfare. However, in true middle-child fashion, it refuses to go entirely unnoticed. The Ranger Splash, a throwback to a 1990s Ranger appearance package, is resurrected for 2022 and douses the truck in either bold orange paint and gloss black accents or a selection of one-time-only exterior paint colors. Other minor changes come in the base XL model's STX Special Edition package, which swaps 18-inch wheels for 17-inch black painted aluminum wheels, and the range-topping Lariat gets a universal garage door opener. Most significant changes. Ranger Splash appearance package returns, but not the flareside bed that came with the original. Pricing. The 2022 Ranger starts at $26,795 for the base XL with standard rear-wheel drive. All prices include a $1,295 destination fee, up from $1,195 for 2021. Four-wheel drive adds between $3,700 and $3,855 depending on the trim. On sale now. Which should you buy, 2021 or 2022? Shoppers willing to skip the new Splash appearance package should be on the lookout for a 2021 model. With no other major updates for 2022, the outgoing Ranger offers a better value. Powertrain. All Ford Rangers are powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine that makes 270 horsepower and 310 pounds-feet of torque and is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Ranger tows up to 7,500 pounds with an available trailer tow package and has a maximum payload capacity of 1,905 pounds. Features. The Ford Ranger offers two cab sizes: the Extended Cab Supercab and Crew Cab Supercrew. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, and four-wheel drive is available across all trims. For shoppers who are planning to go off-roading, a Tremor off-road package is available for XLT and Lariat Supercrew models. The less hardcore FX4 off-road package is available on most 4WD models, and an FX2 off-road package is available on most RWD Rangers. The Ranger XL gets a standard 3.5-inch touchscreen while higher trims come with an 8-inch touchscreen and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The upgraded tech is optional on the base model. Ford's Copilot 360 Safety Suite is standard on all but the base model and includes Lane Keep Assist, a blind spot warning system with rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking and a backup camera. Adaptive Cruise Control is standard on the Lariat and is available on lower trims. Ranger Splash returns. In a nod to the 90s Ranger, Ford is bringing back the Splash name for 2022. As the name suggests, the package is not for the timid. It adds an orange and black hood, body graphics, gloss black accents for the truck's grille, bumpers, fender vents and mirror caps, plus 18-inch matte black wheels. Inside, the Ranger Splash gets orange accent stitching throughout. If bright orange isn't your top color choice, Ford has other ideas. It plans to roll out a series of Splash limited edition models in exclusive paint colors to be released in batches throughout the year. The Snow Edition will wear avalanche paint with magnetic gray accents and avalanche grille nostrils. The Forest Edition has forged green paint with magnetic gray accents and red grille nostrils. And the Sand Edition is painted in desert sand with magnetic gray accents and red grille nostrils. Limited edition interiors get unique black cloth seats with ash gray accent stitching and additional carbon weave and black accents. The Splash Package and Splash Special Edition will each cost $1,495. Trims and pricing. The 2022 Ranger is on sale now, but 2021 models still account for approximately 89% of all new inventory among Cars.com dealers. The starting prices for 2022 are listed below and include a $1,295 destination fee. XL, $26,795. 4 times 2, $30,650, 4 times 4. XLT, $30,845, 4 times 2. $34,545, 4 times 4. Lariat, $34,885, 4 times 2. $38,585, 4 times 4.